In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up or create Redbubble artist account. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to redbubble.com. Make sure you're on the official site before you continue. If you land on the Redbubble homepage, you're in the right place. This works on desktop or mobile, but a desktop screen will make the setup a little easier to follow the first time. Next, look for the option to sign up as an artist. You'll usually find sign up or sell your art near the top right. Then choose the artist sign up option. This path is specifically for creators who want to upload designs and sell on products, so it's important you pick the artist route rather than a regular customer account. Now, enter your email. Use an email you check regularly, ideally something professional that you're comfortable using for shop notifications and customer messages. You'll likely need to verify it, so make sure you can access that inbox right away. If you use a work or school email, confirm you have ongoing access and that it won't block external messages. Enter your shop name next. This is the public name of your storefront, so choose something memorable, easy to spell, and aligned with your style. Keep it clean, avoid trademark terms or brand names you don't own, and plan for the long term. You want a name you won't need to change later. If it's already taken, try slight variations that still fit your brand. Create your password. Choose a strong, unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts and consider using a trusted password manager to store it securely. This protects your work and your payouts. You'll see an option to receive special offers and artist news by email. This is completely optional. If you want updates on features, promos, and tips, leave it checked. If you prefer a quieter inbox, uncheck it. You can always change this later in your account settings. Finally, click Sign Up. Redbubble may prompt you to verify your email. If so, open your inbox, find the message, and click the verification link. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and wait a couple of minutes. After verification, you'll be taken into your new artist account. From there, you'll be guided to finish setting up your profile, review shop policies, and prepare your first uploads. Take a moment to explore the dashboard so you know where to add designs and manage your storefront. That's it. You've created your Redbubble artist account and you're ready to start building your shop.